Right, good afternoon. I'm just putting together some slow stitch kits and I thought I'd show you what I'm up to because you might be nosy like me. I made these, well, I bought these baskets or whatever you want to call them ages ago. So they weren't lined or anything. So I've gone ahead and lined them like so. And basically they're little, that just wraps around there. It wants to go, and then you got like a little carry case basically. So what I thought I'd do, I've been stood here trying to think, where did I get these from, and I really cannot remember where I got these little bags from, but like I say, I have lined them. So I've got one there with like butterflies and stuff, and then another yellow one, another flowery one there, and then a more vintage inspired fabric inside that one. So for each one, I have bought some rather snazzy scissors. Like I say, I just sort of thought, well, what do you want if you're starting slow stitching? So I've got some really nice The Petrol Effect scissors. So they've got all these pockets around the outside, so I'm just going to fill them basically. Let me just move those over there. Let's see what else we got. Oh, I sort of made up a what is slow stitching kind of leaflet. And then I think I've shown you all these actually. The little rulers. I put together little needle threader, pins and thimble sets for each one. Oh, that's all the scissors. Little hoops, because there's, you know, some people like to work in a hoop. Needles. Oh, that's another. And then some little scrap fabric packs, which, you know, got some fun fabrics in them, and a felt version as well. So they'll have the two in each one. Some of my hand dyed perle cotton, a tape measure. I think that's everything. I just wanted to put it together and just see how it pads out as a little kit. So, oh, and another thread there. Yeah, that's everything. Right, so let's get stuffing, shall we say. Right, so we need one of those, one of those, one of those, one of those. Where did those scissors go? Did I put them back? Oh lordy. Yep, I must have put them back in the pile. Right, pair of scissors, two bits of fabric. Got one of those. Yeah, I think that's everything to go in. Oh, I know. What is a slow stitching thing? So I'll pop that inside. Let's let me get you under the camera. Boink. So you can have the little guide in there. Have it sticking up. And then I don't know whether to unwrap the scissors or leave them in their plastic. I think I'll unwrap them. So we'll put the scissors in the front here, perfect size, and the ruler. And I don't think the little hoop will fit. No. Okay, so the little hoop will have to go inside. What I'll do is when they're out at the show, I will put like all the contents out on show, if you like. So needles, they'll fit in there, yeah. And the threads, and then the little fabrics. I think that's quite a nice little starters kit, isn't it? You've got everything in there you need. What I might do is I've got some little organza bags. Put those threads in these, I think. That'll stop them unraveling everywhere. There you go, that's the little threads. So yeah, I think that's quite a nice little starter kit. I say when I put them out, I'll put one with all its contents emptied. Put those that way. And again, when I lay it out at the show, I'll actually, I don't want to fold that again. You're not going to fit, are you? That way? Yeah. So I can actually pull that through. There. How cute is that? That is perfect. Lovely. Right, let's do the others. Oh, it's the little things in life. Okay, so that's going to be the front. So I put the scissors and the ruler at the front. Put that inside there. I might redo that actually and make like a little booklet. So that, tape measure, threads and threads, fabrics, put the threads in there. I've no idea if these will sell. If they don't, I'll bring them back and I'll pop them out for you guys to buy one if you need one. I think they make a lovely Christmas present if you if you want to encourage somebody to start the old slow stitching. Make a lovely little. There's something gone wrong here. Did I put the hoop in there? Yeah. Actually there's plenty of room in there. You could absolutely stuff it full of fabric, but like I say, it's just a little, yeah, I think they're going to be cute. It's not until August, but I need to get this sort of stuff done first. I do like to be organised before I go to a craft show, so I like to know everything's done. So it's just what I like. Now the threads. Let's put the needles in. Did I put the needles in the other one? Might put them inside. If I've got one left over, I'll know that I didn't. That's fine. That and fabrics and tape measure. Yep, that's everything. Cool. Oh, I haven't put a ruler in there. Super cute. Yeah, nice. Right, last one. Scissors. A ruler. A doodad. Another doodad. Let me know what you think. Is that enough? Do I need to put in more? Not sure. I'm only going to put £20 on them anyway, so you know they're not mega expensive. Let's put those in there, that in there, threads in there, and that's it. The tray is empty, so everything must be in there. And again, I will deconstruct one and lay it out on the table so everybody can see exactly what's included. I shall wrap them all pretty, and there. So we're all good to go. Alright, thanks for watching. Yeah, hopefully you found that even slightly interesting. Who knows? But thanks very much for watching. Bye.